Hello, it's Yujie. Today I'm gonna talk about what is a function. A function is a special relation between input and output. You can think of it like a machine. The machine follows a rule. When you put in something into this machine, it gives you one output. So this is our function. In a function, each input has only one output, and this is what makes it special relation. We usually use x for input and y for output, and the set of all x values is called domain, and the set of all y values called range. Here is one example. If the rule for one function is add 2 to input, so add 2 actually is x plus 2. So input is x and output is y. And if we put 3 into this machine, and we can get 5. And if we put 7 into this machine, and we can get 9. And if we put 10 into this machine, and we can get 12. And this is how the function works. For function, one important thing you have to know is how to identify whether a relation is a function or not. So here we have two different relations. The first one, we use out the pairs to represent a relation, and second one, we use mapping notation. And let's see the first one, out of the pairs. And how to identify this relation is a function or not? We just go back to the function definition. So we know for function, each input has only one output. That means for each x, and we can get only one y. And let's see the first pair. In the first pair, we can see this is x and this is y, and x, y, x, y, x, y, right? And let's see the first two pairs. And when x equal to 3, and we can get y is equal to 3 too. But when we go to the second pair, the x also equal to 3, but we get a different y. That means for input x equal to 3, we get two different outputs. One is y equal to 3, and the other one is y equal to negative 3. But for function, each input has only one output. So this is not function. Let's see the next relation. We have a mapping notation here. The left side is x and the right side is y. So when x equal to 2, we can see y equal to 1. When x equal to 0, we can also get y equal to 1. And when x equal to negative 3 and y equal to 5, this one is kind of like opposite of the first one, because we have two different x values, but they all go to the same y value. Is this a function? Yes, it is. Even though we have two different x values, but for every x value, for example, when x equal to 2, we can only get one y equal to 1, right? And when x equal to 0, and also only one y equal to 1. So this is a function.